We're going to talk a little bit today about some of the trends we're seeing in fruit consumption, fruit importing, fruit exporting, individual fruit consumption, currency values, exchange rates. We're going to share with the public a little bit, or the crowd here today, the group here today, a little bit about risk management, because I am a banker. We all manage risk and it's part of our lives. Consumer trends, what's going on with consumers, what are they looking for? Fruit plays a great role in what consumers are looking for today. They want healthy, they want nutritious, they want gluten-free, they want natural, and fruit can play into all of those types of products. Breakfast is huge. The fast food restaurants are losing burger sales, so they've started doing breakfast. Breakfast is big. What's better than fruit for breakfast or with fruit? So that creates a tremendous opportunity, and the health impacts of all of the fruit products are so tremendous. So I think it's a good message for the group today that is a positive outlook, but I'm also giving them a few of the signals to look for. I call them, the canary in the coal mine. So hopefully the takeaway will be something that they can go back to their operations and say, where are the canaries? Are they dropping and giving us any signals of things we need to watch for? Because those type of things weaken your company, and you can't control weather all the time. You can't control those catastrophic events, but if you're strong financially, strong management team, strong marketing team, that helps you plan for the black swan events is what I'm going to call them. So Wells Fargo owns RCIS, one of the largest crop insurance companies. That's certainly your first line of defense. And if you don't have a market for it, best not to grow it. It's tough to push product into the consumer. It's like trying to push a string. It needs to be pulled through the marketing system. So as long as you've got your yield risk covered with crop insurance and all the other things they do, make sure you have a market for it. So it's not if you grow it, they will come, because as consumers, we have a lot of options of all kinds of foods, especially fruits. And that's what I'm going to talk about today, is there's a lot more imported fruits that maybe some of those consumers that eat those, do they eat your products? So I'm not, there's everybody has specific tools for risk management. We're not grain marketers, so there's no futures market. But I think the biggest challenge is to not overproduce. We're seeing that in apples on the West Coast. They've got a lot of acreage coming into production, and I have a slide that shows apple exports have been flat for the last 5 years. So didn't hurt till last year. We had great prices, but this year we're starting to see prices for the second year come down. So is that a dead canary? So that's what I was trying to, that's one of the message I was just trying for.